Welcome. If you want to open application in the pop-up view in your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, for the first you have to go for the app you are going to use. So I will open the Facebook, Play Store, and also I'll try to go for the calendar. Okay, after that we have to open the background apps, click on the icon of the application, and after that we have to click to open in the split screen view. Oh, sorry, I just said in the open in the split screen view. No, we have to open it in the pop-up view. So yeah, here it is, the first pop-up view. Let's do it one more time with another app. And there's the second. So of course we can open this the first. And let's go for the third, and it will be my files. Okay, this one is not going to open in this mode, so we can try to open the settings, and this one is working. So right now, as you can see, we can open 3 apps in the pop-up view. We can also change the size of this windows, and we can also try to go for the split screen. So let's go. Right now let's try to open other apps. Whoa, it's really cool. Right now we get 5 apps at the same time in the one screen, and we can just simply work with it. So it's very impressive, and I hope that it is going to help you a lot. So if you want to close it, just click right here and then just swipe, click and hold, and after drag to remove. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.